our show. You are the star. We are here to explore with hearts full of pride the geography of India, far and wide.
Good morning to one and all present out here. It is our great pleasure to welcome you to the annual function of Class 6S on the topic Geography of India. On behalf of all the students, we feel honored to present the beauty, diversity and richness of our country's geography.
India's geography not only shapes its natural beauty but also influences its culture, climate, lifestyle, and economy. India is a land of unity in diversity, and it is not only true about its people, languages, custom, and religion, but it holds true about its geographical features also. From mighty Himalayas in the north to Indian Ocean in the south, from Thar Desert in the west to the lush green forest in the northeast, India showcases almost every type of landscape found on earth.
Today, through our skit, poems and presentations, we will take you on a journey through the incredible geographical features of India. Hope you enjoy and learn from today's event.
Once again, we warmly welcome you all and thank you for being part of this celebration of our motherland nature glory.
A day without prayer is a day without blessings, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So now stand up, join your hands, and get ready for the morning prayer.
Kindly repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is high.
Where knowledge is free.
Where knowledge is free.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
By narrow domestic walls.
By narrow domestic walls.
Where words come out from the depth of truth.
Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever-finding thought and action. Into ever-finding thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake.
Let my country awake.
To change our minds with positivity, I would like to invite Harshita to share the thought of the day.
The land of India is a living classroom where the rivers flow like knowledge and mountains rise like value. I repeat my thought. The land of India is a living classroom where the rivers flow like knowledge and mountains rise like value. Thank you.
Today we invite you on a magical journey through diverse geography of India where mountains, rivers, deserts and islands come alive. Presenting our skit Geography of India, a blend of knowledge and imagination. Scene 1. At home. India is not just a country, it is a geographical wonder. Come, let's follow Ravi as he asks his grandfather a simple question which opens a door to a magical journey.
Grandpa, India is so huge. Mountains, rivers, deserts and islands. How can one country have all this?
That's the magic of our motherland. Ravi, want to say it yourself?
But how?
Close your eyes and let the geography of India come alive.
Scene 2. Geography comes alive. As Ravi opens his eyes, he finds himself in the presence of India's most iconic geographical feature personified. Ha 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 ha. I am the Himalaya, the guardian of the north.
Wow, you are huge and snowy. How were these majestic Himalayas formed?
About 70 billion years ago, the Indian plate, which was once part of the subcontinent Gondwana, started moving northwards. It collided with the Eurasian plate, which was already in place in Asia. Both plates were made out of continental crust. The crust began to crumple and fold upwards. This folding and uplifting of land for over millions of years created the Himalaya.
What about flora and fauna, Grandpa?
Himalaya provide home to many endangered species like snow leopard, giant panda, Himalayan valley of deer, etc. Flora includes trees like pine, deodar, fir, etc.
I have read about sloping roofs in Himalayas. It helps snow to slide off easily and rainwater to drain quickly.
Himalaya Himalaya is not just a natural wonder, but it also provides a natural bed to the cold wind from the Central Asia.
Now comes the turn of Thar Desert, where the land meets the sky in the golden haze.
Hey kid, I am Thar Desert, hot, dry and full of life too. Camels, sand dunes and colorful culture, that's me.
I have read that Thar Desert is one of the largest deserts in the world.
Yes, indeed. It covers an area of 2 lakh square miles. It is also known as the Great Indian Desert.
Tell me more about yours.
Sure dear, I am located in Rajasthan. It's scorching hot during the day and freezing cold at night. You can see here numerous species of reptiles, desert fox, hyena and a rare desert wildcat.
Oh, really? I know about the people of Thailand, but they are nomads. They do not stay at one place for a long due to scarcity of food and water. Luni is the only river here which receives a very little rainfall.
From the arid desert, let's head to the heart of India, the Deccan Plateau.
Hi kid, I am Deccan Plateau, the ancient heart of India. I stand strong between western and eastern Ghats. My black soil grows cotton, my forests are rich in wildlife, and my rivers flows very deep. All Kaveri, Godavari and Krishna begin here. I am triangular shaped.
The geography of Deccan Plateau is diverse and captivating. I really enjoyed it.
Moving towards west, we can find lush forests and wildlife. That's the Western Ghats.
Hey kid, I am Western Ghats, full of wildlife and forest. You know, I am older than the Himalayas.
You look so calm. Do you give us rain too?
Yes, I trap the monsoon wind and bless the Deccan Plateau with water.
Now it's turn of Andaman and Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Lakshadweep Islands jumping together.
Hello, we are the island twins, Andaman and Lakshadweep. Coral reefs, coconut trees and beaches. We are India's tropical paradise.
India is everything. Mountains, rivers, deserts, forests and even islands.
So, how was your trip?
Incredible. I never imagined that the geography of India could be so exciting.
Remember, Ravi, to understand India, you must not just read about it, but feel it.
I will, Grandpa. India is not just a country. It is a continent in itself.
Mountains so high,
Rivers so wide, India's heart all wonders reside. From snow peaks to islands, where geography makes India a magical land. Thank you.
India is not just a land of culture but also a stunning geographical diversity. Today, let's dive into a group discussion that uncovers the natural beauty and features of our country. First of all, let us discuss the formation of Indian subcontinent. Around 200 million years, the Earth had a great landmass called Pangaea, which later split into two supercontinents, Laurasia North and Gondwana South. India was a part of Gondwana along with present-day Africa, Australia and South America. About 120 million years, the Indian tectonic plate broke off from Gondwana and started moving northward at a rapid pace.
Around 50 years ago, India collided with Eurasian plates. This powerful geological moment created the Indian subcontinent, which includes India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Ishan, can you please tell us something about India's size and location?
India lies in the continent of Asia. It is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area. It covers the area about 3.25 million square kilometers. Most of India forms peninsula, which means it is surrounded by water from three sides: Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. Indian geography can be divided into two types: political geography and physical geography. Vidyansh, can you please elaborate political geography?
India has 28 states and 8 union territories.
It also includes one national capital, Delhi. In terms of area, the largest state of India is Rajasthan and the smallest state is Goa. Divya, please describe the physical features of India.
Sure. Based on physical features, Indian geography is broadly divided into the Great Mountains of Northern Plain, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plain, Island and Thar Desert.
The major mountain of the north is Himalaya, which spread over 2400 km. The Himalaya comprises three parallel ranges: Himadri or Great Himalaya, Himachal or Lesser Himalaya, Shivaliks or Outer Himalaya.
Himadri or Greater Himalayas comprises of highest peaks such as Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, also Ganga and Yamuna originate from this range. Himachal or Lesser Himalayas are home to great valleys like Kashmir, Kangra and Kullu Valley. The region is also known for hill stations like Kashmir, Manali, Shimla, Mountain, Missouri, etc. Shivaliks is the outermost range which extends through Nepal, Bhutan or Pakistan.
Northern Plains. It is formed by the three major rivers, Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributary river. The plain is very fertile and is the source of major food grains of India.
Peninsula Plateau. It is formed from the Gondwana land and is one of the oldest land of the earth. It is divided into two sections, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau.
Thar Desert is the only desert of India whose major part lies in Rajasthan, but a portion of it is spread in Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab and Pakistan. It receives only 150 mm of rainfall in a year.
The coastal plains. The coastal plains are situated along the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. They are divided into eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains.
India has two groups of islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands are in Arabian Sea.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the southeast of India. There are around 572 islands, but only 38 islands are inhabited. Indira Point on Great Nicobar Islands is the southernmost point of India. These islands are inhabited by tribal communities like Jarawa, Onge and Shonpen. Lakshadweep Island comprises 36 islands including 10 inhabited islands. Islands are flat and low-lying with coconut palms. Population mainly follow Islam and speak Malayalam.
India experiences a wide range of climates from the tropical in the south, arid in the Thar Desert and alpine and temperate in the Himalayan region.
In conclusion, the geography of India is a diverse and a fascinating tapestry of landforms and climates, from the lofty peaks of the Himalayas to the vast plains of the Ganges basin, and from the arid desert of the Rajasthan to the lush greenery of the Western Ghats. India boasts a rich variety of natural features. Thank you. Poetry has a unique way of touching our heart and mind. Enjoy the poetic journey and may it leave a lasting impression on you.
From snow-capped peaks in the Himalayas high to desert where golden dunes lie, from Ganga's grace to ocean blue, India's geography is vast and true.
In the north, the mountains stand so tall, shielding the land like a mighty wall with rivers like Yamuna, Satluj and Ganga, flowing with pride or full of Asian saga. To the west lies the Thar Surai where camels walk and eagles fly. In Rajasthan, the sand to sing of willow falls and desert king.
Down south the Deccan spread its arm with hills and plateaus full of charm. The western Ghats so lush and green hold secrets deep and sight-seen.
To the east and west, two coasts shine with beaches, ports and coconut line. The Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea embellish the shores in harmony. And don't forget the island jewels, Andaman Peace and Lakshadweep pools. Together they form a graceful gem, adding glories to India's reign. A tapestry woven by nature's hand, a blessed, diverse and sacred land. This is our India, proud and free, a masterpiece of geography. Thank you.
रेगिस्तान, जंगल, पहाड़ और मैदान भारत की धरती है। सबकी शान चलिए अब सुनते हैं कविता जो भारत के भूगोल को सलाम करती है।
उत्तर में हिमालय हंसता बर्फ की चादर ओढ़े, गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र जल की मीठी झोली खोले। दक्षिण में है सागर गहरा तीन तरफ से घेरे, हिंद महासागर बंगाल की खाड़ी अरब सागर मेरे।
पूरा पश्चिम विस्तार है अपना लंबा चौड़ा देश, पठार मैदान रेगिस्तान सबका रंग विशेष। थार का रेगिस्तान सुनहरा राजस्थान की शान, तो डेक्कन का पठार बनाया है दक्षिण भारत की जान।
पर्वत जंगल नदियाँ झीलें सबका मेरे यहाँ, हर मौसम का जादू हर मिट्टी में जान। नर्मदा गोदावरी कावेरी नदियों का संगम, भारत का भूगोल सिखाता प्रकृति का हर प्रणम। केरल के बैकवाटर सुंदर, कश्मीर की वादियाँ, मेघालय की बारिश प्यारी, सूरज की रश्मियाँ, अंडमान निकोबार लक्षद्वीप द्वीपों की माला। भारत का भूगोल कहे मेरा देश निराला, भारत का भूगोल कहे मेरा देश निराला। धन्यवाद।
Words may fail, but music never does. Let's welcome the next performance, an English song full of melody and meaning.
All over the room today, in our work and in our play, all over the school today, kindness is the way. We need a reminder to be kinder, to pause before we speak, will my words build up, show love, oh that is what we need. Kindness every day. I'm making a choice to say in how I act and what I say. I'm making a choice to say kindness is the way. We need a reminder to be kinder, to pause before we speak. Will my words build up, show love, for that is what we need. Kindness every day. It can take the clouds away, it can bring the sun to play. If I make a choice to say kindness is the way, it can take the clouds away, it can bring the sun to play. If I make a choice to say kindness is the way, every day. Thank you.
Coming the next is Hindi song which blends melody with deep emotion. Now please welcome the performers with a big round of applause.
यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ ये सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना When art take the form of movement, magic happen. Enjoy this enchanting classical dance performance.
Music is the universal language of emotions. Get ready for a soul-soothing instrumental piece that needs no lyrics to leave an impact.
When talent meets teamwork, the stage come alive. So get ready for a stunning group dance performance.
सोचो तो क्यों है आज सर्व सर्व पानी ये चुपचाप पानी क्यों चलो बदल दे कहानी कहानी बचा ले निशानी हम पूछे कि धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है जिंदगानी सोचो तो क्यों है आज सहम सहम पानी ये चुपचाप पानी क्यों चलो बदल दे ये कहानी कहानी बचा ले निशानी हम पूछेगी धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी रब से नाराज गुस्सा गुस्सा पानी ये क्यों उदास पानी चलो बदल दे ये कहानी कहानी बचा ले निशानी हम पूछेगी धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी
Drop, drip, drip, drop, drip, drop, drippity drop, drip, drop, drip, drip, drop, drip, drop, drippity drop.